Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I will be making gari, as known as sushi ginger or pickled ginger. Gari is the condiment which served with sushi almost all the time. It's the season of young ginger. It's the time to make the freshest gari for the next couple of months. You can create gari with regular or old ginger, but it tastes not the same. The young ginger is much more tender and milder in flavor. Let's get started. Cook on very low heat and bring it to 60 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius is the temperature that draws out umami at the maximum. Set aside while preparing the ginger. Snip off the tip to wash off the mud. Scrub well and scrape the skin. Some people use a spoon, but I prefer the back of the knife. Rinse and clean the surface. Slice thinly with a thin blade sharp knife. Slice into very thin, almost see through the other side. You can definitely use mandarin to have thin and even slices. Rinse under the cold running water, changing the water a couple of times. Next, blanch sliced ginger for a minute or so. Bring 2 liters of water to a boil and the ginger goes in. Cook over high heat until boil again. Drain. If you are using old ginger, cook a minute longer. Place it on a shallow mesh tray to evaporate the moisture. Sprinkle a half teaspoon of salt. Meanwhile, mix the brine. Take out the Kombu kelp, then mix other seasonings. Stir until the sugar dissolves. When the ginger comes to room temperature, squeeze out the moisture gently with your hand with the gloves on. We want to keep it long shelf time and avoid contamination of bacteria. Transfer to a clean jar that's sterilized with boiling water. Pour the brine over it, loosen it with chopsticks a little, store in the fridge for a day, and you can enjoy your homemade gari. It will last in the fridge well over 3 months as long as you are using the clean chopsticks to take out. It tastes refreshing and pungent a little. I can enjoy my homemade gari all summer long. You can serve with sushi, of course, or meat dishes to give it a nice kick. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Head over to my website for more information, princessbamboo.com. Follow me on my social media for the daily update. If you don't know what to choose for the ingredient and tools, go to my store on Amazon. They have pretty much everything and it's easier to find what you want. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!